Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special in store for all you teenagers out there. We're going to dive into a list of eye-opening books that will inspire people on genuine self-improvement. So let's get started. Okay, so our first book is titled The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck by Mark Manson. Don't let the title fool you. This book by Mark Manson is a brutally honest and refreshing take on self-improvement. It encourages you to prioritize what truly matters in life and let go of societal pressures. This book will change your perspectives and help you embrace a more authentic and fulfilling existence. So coming in next, we have the book titled Unscripted by MJ Demarco. So you see, Unscripted is a guide to escaping the societal norms and constraints that keep people trapped in the rat race of mediocrity and unfulfilling work. Demarco argues that society has scripted a set path for individuals and leading them to believe that the only way to achieve wealth and success is through traditional things like a 9-to-5 job, climbing the corporate ladder, or saving for retirement. However, he contends that this script is flawed and ultimately leads to a life of conformity, unfulfilled potential, and dependence on external factors for financial security. Another book that I recommend for teenagers, which is also by MJ Demarco, is called Wealth Exposed. In this book, DeMarco discusses various principles and mindsets essential for building wealth. He emphasizes the importance of understanding the difference between wealth creation and wealth attraction. Unlike many self-help books that focus solely on positive thinking or manifestation, DeMarco stresses the significance of taking action and adopting a proactive approach to financial success. So in this video, I really wanted to cover MJ DeMarco's books because to me he has been such a great author, and he's been really good at explaining problems you might face on self-improvement and things you can do to get out of this society and kind of build your own business away from the things society tells you to do. So coming in next, which is our last book by DeMarco, is called The Millionaire Fastlane. So DeMarco introduces two contrasting paths to wealth: the slow lane and the fast lane. The slow lane is the traditional route where individuals work hard, save money, invest in traditional vehicles like stocks and retirement accounts, and wait decades to hopefully retire wealthy. Well, the fast lane, on the other hand, is about leveraging entrepreneurship, business systems, and market trends to rapidly build wealth and achieve financial freedom. DeMarco also presents his wealth equation, which emphasizes the importance of leveraging time and resources to create wealth. He argues that traditional equations like wealth equals time saving are flawed because they rely too heavily on time and slow growth. Instead, he proposes a formula that incorporates factors like skill, need, and control to accelerate wealth creation. So these were some of the best MJ DeMarco books that I could recommend for you guys. If you're a teenager on self-improvement, I recommend you guys reading one of these books. And yeah, in my opinion, these books were great for people on self-improvement just because of the fact that each book gives you a better perspective, a newer perspective of, opinions that MJ DeMarco discusses. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.